everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to install and automate Tomcat 9 on EC2 instance step by step. Now, not only we'll do the setup, but I'll also explain why we are doing this step by step. So whether you are a beginner looking to go with Tomcat, this video is for you. So first, we have to launch an instance. For that, see if we see this recently visited services, this EC2 here. So you can just go here, or you can just go to the search tab and go search EC2. After this, we have to go in the left side. You see many options. So we have to go to instances. So to start a new instance, I launch an instance. I'll give a name saying Tomcat new. I'll choose Amazon Linux for this. I'll only show you this entire setup in free tier. And next one, the instance type also. You can choose nano, micro, small, medium, but these are all paid. But I'll only choose free tier, okay? And now I'll create a new key pair saying Tomcat new or news, okay? Because I have a key already with that same name, so I can't create a key with the same name. So I'll create new pair. So and now I should be allowing what all ports I should enable for this. So I have to edit. Okay. So the mandatory thing is SSH because you need to log in into the instance using SSH only. So adding security group, you need to allow 8080 port, which is default for Tomcat. So I'll put HTTP and 8080 default. I'll just name, okay, because you need to have HTTP, and other custom TCP is 8080 because 8080 is default for Tomcat. 8080 port here is default for HTTP. You need to be careful about the number of the port, okay. And this is about it, storage, and then we will launch our instance. And source type is very important. I forgot telling you. You can give the source type. This is regarding the IP address. It should be accessible from any IP address. This is not very particular about the particular range of IP address you will have. So I launch my instance now. Now if I refresh here, it's still in pending state. We'll just wait for 2 to 10 seconds so that it'll come to the starting state and it's up and running. We should be also check with the status check. It should pass the 2x2 checks. So when we'll wait for that 2x2 check pass also. Before that, I'll explain you what are all this. So this is my instance ID. This is my public IPv4 address. This is my IPv4 private address. This private IPv4 address I'll be using for PuTTY. Okay, because in this video I'm not using PuTTY. I'll be using Git Bash, which I'll be logging in using public IPv4 address. So I'll just use my public v4 for git bash. So this is my host name, private IP DNS. So this is instant type T2 micro. So this is all about it. Status and alarms. If we have initialized anything, monitoring. So here you can see the CPU utilization, network packets, memory, everything. Okay. So security. So this will have all the inbound rules we have set up. So this is networking, storage, tags, storage. So this is 8 GB volume size. So we'll just try to refresh this. We still have to wait. Let it come. So Before that, I'll just give you, I've created a Notion page for everything. Okay, so this are all the steps you need to follow one by one. So we are done till here. So next, this is the easiest step. So this is just for your reference. I put we'll be using same command in the git bash also. So before that, you need to go to the directory where your actual key is stored. You have created a key pair for this, right? So you should be going to that directory and put that ssh command over there. It's still initializing. And yes, after that, Tomcat needs JDK. It runs on Tomcat runs on Java based apps only. So for that you need to install Java, and this is all about it. Tomcat 9 archive, extract manually, and I'll also show you how to automate this process. Yes, it has passed 2 by 2 checks. And now I'll copy this IPv4 address, go to git bash. Okay, sorry. Go to git bash and put my command, paste, sorry, clear, go here, copy this and paste it here. Since I've given the key name as Tomcat News, and I also have to change the IP address here. Paste. Now enter. So it will just ask you, are you sure to continue connecting? I'll tell yes. And it will show you permanently added. And yes, I've logged into my instance now. Now the first step is we should update all the packages. Because this is Amazon Linux, you will use sudo yum update. We'll run this. If there are packages to update or install, it will just do it through this command. The next command is this one. So see, it told nothing to do. So we'll just clear it. Since we have copied that command, I'll be, the same command only. We'll copy this. See, I can copy all at a time. So I have sudo Amazon Linux extras enable Corretto, and this is for Java. And next to check Java version, I'll give enter. Enter. Everything is installing. Since Tomcat runs Java based applications, so Java is must. We are installing Amazon Corretto 8. It's a production ready open JDK distribution, and Tomcat 9 works perfectly with Java 8. Next step is, after this gets installed, the JDK gets installed, we'll go and download our Tomcat from actual website. Okay, so this is done, and here you can see the Java version as well. And the next step is we use clear command to clear everything, and then I'll go back to this. The Tomcat should be like all the third party things which if you install in this in Linux, you will be storing an op directory only. So I'll copy entire thing. It's downloading. We are placing Tomcat inside op directory. It's a standard directory for optional software. Then we will change the name of Tomcat 9 for easier access. In this, we are using 9.0.85 from Apache's archive to ensure a stable release. Okay, so this is done. And next, if we give ls-lart, you can see this is my zip folder which has been extracted from our Apache archives folder. And next, what do you do after this? I have to rename. I have to rename. So for that, I have to extract the file and I have to rename. Rename from Tomcat 9.0.85 to just Tomcat 9 for my better observation. See, this is a folder called Tomcat 9, which has been extracted from this and renamed to Tomcat 9. And now this step is done. And now we have to log in into our root user and go to the this tomcat.9./bin. Okay, I will show you. You can copy this, paste. Yes, ls-lart. So this is all about it. So we have all these folders. So we have to check if Tomcat is up and running or not. For that, we'll give curl command. Here only we already have. So for that, or we can also go and check in the browser also. Could not connect to the server. So something was wrong. What is wrong? Sudo su. Then we have to go to cd of tomcat9.bin. Right now, ls la. We didn't log in into the bin directory, so that was the issue. And now I can run the startup file. To start, see here I have a file called startup.sh. We should be running this file to make the Tomcat run. So startup.sh. Okay, it has started. Now if I want to check, I'll use the curl command from here. Copy, go to git bash again, paste, or you can see. So if you see this kind of HTML page, that means Tomcat is up and running. Localhost 8080. I think that was not the correct link I put. So this is my IP. Instead of this, I have to put my IP address. Sorry, what was I doing? Yeah, that is correct. So copy this. See, so this is my Apache default page. So after this, we are done. So this is how you manually start. But if you want to automate, whenever our instance gets rebooted and automatically launched, we need not go to our SSH server, startup SH. Again, we need not manually start. For this, you can automate also. How can you do that? For that, we have to go to this file. Okay. For this, we have to create this file. So in this file, I'll be pasting this. So this service file will tell Linux how to manage Tomcat like any other system service. Start it, stop it, restart it, even auto start it at boot. When the instance boots also, this will get started. So in this service file, I'll paste this entire thing. Okay. So this is done. Control S and Control X you have to give. So we'll clear this out. After this, what we will be doing, we have to check, right? So I'll do this daemon reload. This will tell system about our new service. Okay, this command will tell for new service. So this is done, and next we will first enable our Tomcat, right? And we will start our Tomcat. I hope our Tomcat is up and running now. Now we have to check this. Yes, Tomcat is active and running. This is very good. And now we can go to our IP address also check. So yes, we are able to access it. And next, so to give you proof or make you understand how this actually works, I'll give you sudo reboot. I won't manually start the service. It will automatically run. So now currently connection is closed. So now I have to start the instance again. So SSH I'll do. By this, because I gave a script in the Tomcat service file, it will be automatically up and running. So it will auto start when I boot the system itself, boot the EC2 instance itself. So it is showing connection timed out. Is it the correct IP address? So let's check once. Sorry. Yes, we are able to log in into the instance now. Now we have to check our Tomcat if it is up and running or not. So for that, systemctl command only we have to use. So go back to this again and check the status of Tomcat using systemctl. We'll close this also. Later I'll open and show you because we have just booted the system. Yes, it is active and running. Now I'll go to this, copy my IP address again, http colon, the same IP address, right? Yes, now we are able to access our Apache Tomcat. So this is all about it. This is how you set up EC2 instance Tomcat. Make sure you switch off or stop your instance after your entire process is done, because it's going to cost you after this. After 750 hours of free trial for EC2 instance, it's gonna cost you. So I'll go here, terminate or stop the instance. You can do whatever you want. I will terminate the instance. Yes, successfully initiated termination of instance. So this is all about this video. So thank you so much for patiently watching till now. I am here. So every day I'll be posting something or the other. If I'm late also, don't worry. But here I am. I'll get back to you and post everything I can. So this is all about a Tomcat setup. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be coming up with new videos. Thank you so much for patiently watching. I'm so grateful for this. Thank you.